In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make thank you card for your business using Canva. By the end, you'll have a polished, on-brand card you can print or share digitally. Start by opening Canva on your computer or mobile device. On the home screen, use the search bar and type thank you card or busyness, thank you card. This pulls up a wide range of ready-made designs, so you don't have to start from scratch. Take a moment to look through styles that match your brand's personality: minimalist, elegant, or colorful, and decide whether you want a folded card or a flat card. Flat cards are great for slipping into packages, while folded cards give you extra room for a personal note. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to customize. Click on any text box to replace the placeholder copy with a heartfelt message to your customers. Keep it warm and sincere and make sure the font is easy to read. If the text feels cramped, increase the font size slightly. Adjust line spacing and keep enough contrast between the text and background for clarity. Next, add your branding. Upload your logo, place it where it feels balanced, and switch the template colors to your brand palette. Consistency here builds recognition. Include essential contact details such as your website or social handle so customers can connect with you again. Keep the layout clean. Less is often more when it comes to professional design. Enhance your design with graphics using the Elements tab. Search for simple icons, stickers, or illustrations that fit your brand style. Choose graphics that support your message without overwhelming the card. Align elements neatly and keep margins even so everything looks intentional and polished. If you have product photos or brand images, upload them and drag them into your design. You can place an image as a background or inside a frame. If the photo competes with the text, reduce its transparency slightly or add a subtle shape behind the text to improve readability. Aim for a balanced composition that draws the eye to your message first. When you are happy with the design, go to the top right. Click Share and choose Download. For professional printing, select PDF print for the highest quality. For digital use like social media, email, or your website, pick PNG or JPG. PNG keeps edges crisp and is great for graphics. JPG is a smaller file size for quick sharing. Save your file, and your thank you card is ready to delight your customers and reinforce your brand. Thanks for watching.